difference between fitness and you is fitness education.
Hello friends, my name is Dan Gurgic and this is Fit.U, your home for fitness education. The basic shit we should have learned in gym class. What is fitness?
How well you sleep, how well you move, and how well you breathe.
So those are the three pillars of fitness. Now what is at the base, the foundation of fitness? What makes up the foundation of fitness? Our posture. Bing, 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 bing. That, ladies and friends, is what I have been missing most of my life in the whole training fitness world. Is at the base of all of these things is posture. Posture affects how well you sleep and how well you recover. Posture affects how well you move and your ability to do that. Move well. Breathing, whoa boy, your breath is gravely affected by your posture. If you're not in a good postural place, your breath will be compromised. If you're in a good postural place, woo-wee, you feel relief from good breathing with good posture. So our goal here at Fit.U is to get your posture right so that your breathing is better, your movement is better, and you start sleeping just a little bit better.